So hey everyone, welcome back again. I am back with another new video. So in this video I am going to explain you restitutions of conjugal right as per the section 9 of the Hindu law. So what is restitutions of conjugal rights? Restitutions of conjugal right is those kind of right which is only available for the husband and wife. Either husband or wife have a right to file petitions before the competent court whose jurisdictions fall under this area, and he can file these petitions as per the section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act and seeking a relief from the competent court. So I am going to explain you when the legal consequences will arise and when the petition will be filed before the competent court and what will happen after that. So if you want to know this, watch this video till the end, and after watch this video your concept will be totally clear explicitly. So let's jump into the topic. Before I jump into the topic, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, I'm requesting you subscribe my channel and press the notification bell and hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family members too. As I said earlier, restitutions conjugal rights only available for the husband or wife who is married and which is governed by the Hindu law. Behind that, none of persons have a right to file a restitution of conjugal right as per the law, as per the Hindu law. For example, I am Hindu, I do not have a right to file a petitions as per the section 9 unless I am not married. Okay. So when the legal consequences will arise, before I tell you, I would like to read you the sections, because as per the sections I am going to giving you example. So restitutions of conjugal right clearly says when either the husband or the wife has without reasonable excuse. For example, A and B is a husband and wife. So A, who is a husband of B, without any specific reason, without any reasonable reasons, start living separately from outside. So that is exactly says of restitutions of conjugal rights. So when the either husband or wife without reasonable excuses withdraw from the society of the other, the aggrieved party may apply by the petitions of the district court. So when that kind of circumstances took place, A and B is a husband and wife, and one of the either husband or wife start living separately without any proper cause, without any reasonable reasons, then the aggrieved party who is suffering from this, they have a right to file a petitions before the competent court as per the section 9 of the Hindu law, and this law applicable only for the Hindus. You remember those things. Okay. Then he seeking a relief before the competent court. After that, then competent court against whom the reasonable complaint is made as per the restitution of conjugal right, the court will issue the notice against that persons and also give that persons to file a written statement which is called as a WS. Then the against whom the complaint is made, then that persons also file a written complaint, written statement. He said his fact, if the court think that is a favorable, that is a vexatious, if court deem thing fit, the without any reasonable cause the husband start living separately from his wife, then court pass an order as per the section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act, restitutions of conjugal right. Then court direct that persons who start living separately from his wife and they start living with each other in a same room, in a same village, in a same room. Okay, so that is exactly, but there is some exceptions. For example, A and B start living together, is a husband and wife, but be tortured on a daily basis, frequently be tortured. Due to this, we start living separately. And if A file a restitutions of conjugal right as per the section 9, if B file a petition before the competent court, so when the court will give a chance to the B, then B also file a petition and said the true fact why he start living separately from his wife. But after court hearing both of the party, if court think deemed proper fit, then court pass an order or further order which is court deemed think fit. Okay, so it is totally depend on the circumstances. If without any specific reason the husband and wife start living separately, then the person who start living separately against whom the person who aggrieved, he can file a petitions before the competent court as per the section 9, and seeking a relief from the court. But if there is any dispute, which is reasonable dispute, just because of this that persons start living separately, then court would never pass any restitutions of conjugal right, because there is a unfulfillable, there is a no chance to live together just because of the cruelty, just because of some other thing. That's why. So I hope restitutions of conjugal right is totally clear from your brain. If the any husband and wife start living separately without any reasonable cost, then the aggrieved party file a petition before the competent court and seeking a relief. And if there is a reasonable cost, then the court would never pass any kind of the decree as per the section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act, but court pass a further order which court would deem think fit. Okay, so I hope the concept will be totally clear. This video is very helpful for you. If you think this video is very helpful for you, like my video, share this video with your friends and family members, and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. So now, Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.